So I'm boiling these eggs, and it sounds like there's chirping coming from them.
Yeah.
That's weird.